Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your BMW X5 louder. First, consider upgrading your exhaust system. Aftermarket options are designed to improve sound and performance. You'll find various types, from full catback systems to axleback kits, each offering a distinct acoustic profile. Always prioritize professional installation to guarantee safety and optimal results for your vehicle. When upgrading your exhaust, catback systems are a popular choice, replacing everything from the catalytic converter back. This often includes new piping, resonators, and mufflers for a comprehensive sound change. Axleback systems, on the other hand, focus solely on the rear muffler section, offering a more budget-friendly way to achieve a sportier sound. Both options provide noticeable improvements. Beyond full exhaust systems, other modifications can boost your X5 sound. Downpipes, for instance, replace restrictive factory components, leading to a louder exhaust note and sometimes a more pronounced turbo sound. Resonator deletes are another option, removing a chamber designed to quiet the exhaust, resulting in a more raw and aggressive tone. Electronic exhaust valves provide flexibility, letting you switch between quiet and loud modes. Before making any changes, it's crucial to research your local noise regulations. Some areas have strict limits on vehicle exhaust sound levels. Always choose high-quality aftermarket parts from trusted brands to ensure durability and proper fitment. This prevents future issues and guarantees the best sound. Also, for a fresh interior, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.